Welcome, welcome. Ready to discover something new in NetSuite with 8 Quanta? All right, let's play around with a saved search formula. So here's my invoice dated July 14th, 2021. I'm creating a saved search for this transaction. Let's call it extract days. Now I'll set main line equal to true to get rid of line level details. Let's add the internal ID to the criteria. And in the Results tab, I just need the document number and date. All right, let's see how this looks. Not bad, but today's goal, extracting the day from the date field. So let's add a formula field. We'll use the toChar function for this. First parameter, the date field. Second, DD, because we want the day. If we needed the month, that would be double M. Let's run it. And there it is, the day extracted perfectly. Wait a second. What if we want to find out how many days are in the month? Here's how, same toChar function, but instead of passing the date directly, we use last day to get the last date of the month. Let's run it. Boom. There it is, all done. See you in the next one.